The honourable member for Regina Capel.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. The minister, in her speech, indicated that she was very concerned about the misinformation that was being spread around the coronavirus. I'd like to read a quote from February 17th. The long-term implications of shutting borders is that they're not very effective. You know who said that? The Minister of Health. The Minister of Health also said that the risk remains low, that there's no evidence that this virus is spread without symptoms, and even praised the government of China's handling of reporting to the WHO and other countries about the coronavirus in its own country. Mr. Speaker, if the minister is concerned about spreading misinformation, maybe she should stop doing press conferences. And what we're dealing here, Mr. Speaker, is a request for information, because Canadians were told that by going through great sacrifices, seeing their businesses closed, going bankrupt, watching loved ones die alone, that they were buying the government time to increase the number of personal protective equipment that Canada has, fast-tracking approvals, purchasing ventilators. And here we are months later, and all of those things still haven't happened. That's why parliamentarians are trying to get to the bottom of this. When it came to the WE scandal, this government was able to hit print and dump thousands of documents on the committee, and they even took the time to redact them. So if the government can take the time to try to throw a smoke screen away from its corruption, why can't they take the time to provide this information to the House of Commons?